Hello, Clay family. I am in my room with my kid, and I'm about to do a review, a once again review on Tab's Dirt. I actually received her shipment on Monday, and out of 3 pounds, this is all I have left because it is so good. It reminds me of that Al Green song, Let's Stay Together. That's like my song to this clay. I love it. It's very crunchy, very earthy. The flavor is insane. What's my favorite saying? Like a party in your mouth? Exactly like that. Mmm. Mmm. And the grit is amazing. So I just want to remind you, if you want some of Tab's Dirt, she has red crunchy, which is my favorite. She has red soft, brown dirt, Mississippi dirt, and brown overbaked. If there's more, you'd have to ask her. I don't remember. And I'll go ahead and I'll put her email address that you can use to send her your orders. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you.